Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy property photography with Snappr, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin deploying property photography with Snappr, access the Snappr website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the booking section. Select Book a Photographer from the available options. Choose Property Photography as your desired service. Enter the location of the property you want to be photographed. Specify the date and time you wish to schedule the shoot. Provide details about the property, including its size and any special features. Review the list of available photographers in your area. Examine the profiles of photographers to assess their portfolios and customer reviews. Select a photographer that fits your style and needs. Proceed to the payment section to secure your booking. Enter your payment information and confirm the booking. After booking, you will receive a confirmation email with the details. Prepare your property by decluttering and staging it for the shoot. On the scheduled day, ensure the property is accessible for the photographer. Communicate any specific shots or features you want highlighted. Once the shoot is complete, the photographer will edit the images. Return to your Snappr account to view and download the finalized photos. Utilize the high-quality images for your marketing needs. You are now ready to effectively showcase your property using Snappr's services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.